I'm in a 2011 GMC Sierra, and today I'm going to show you a jump start. So first you'll open the hood and then go to the passenger side. You should see your battery mounted right here. And then check too all your terminals are cleaned from corrosion and are nice and tight, which you can clean off with a brush or a good rag. Kind of clean these up, tighten them up. But this will be your positive side, which you can always double check on the battery. And then your neutral negative side is this over here. So whether you're using jumper cables or a jump box, you would attach your red positive to the red side and then the negative to the other end on the metal. And then on the opposite end, if you've got a vehicle, make sure you're attaching the positive to the positive and the negatively to the negative. So you don't want to cross these because that could cause pretty quickly some significant computer electronic damage to your vehicles. And you'll know if it's happening because you'll get like sparks and whatnot. So yeah, positive to positive, negative to negative, and that should do it for you. And worst case, if you need to replace the battery, you just got to remove these little covers here, and you can see this handle. You can just lift this right out, stick your new battery in, and then reconnect all the things. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.